What's up, family? What up, y'all? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Hey, what up, what up, what up? Hey, today, I got some beef tacos, y'all. Beef tacos from the little Mexican food truck. So, hey, let's go and get into it. Alright, let's go and try one. Let's go and try one, y'all. I don't know what these is. Whatever these is, y'all let me know. I ain't never had them before, so I don't know what they is. I ain't gonna lie to you. But let's get right on into it. Let's get right on into it. And I got a lime. Let's see what they buy. And put that lime. Ooh, that joint got in my eye. Ooh, burning. Y'all don't laugh at me. Let's go on here. Let's get to it, baby. You know how we do it first. Bye. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like it. I'm pulling them off, y'all. Let's put some sauce on there too. Just a little bland. I get this like a, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I get this like a 5.5. For real, the meat is not seasoned good, y'all. It is not. Let's see what this sauce do. The sauce boosted to a 6. No higher than a 6, y'all. No higher than a 6. I get this plate right here a D. I give it a D, y'all. But hey, I'm gone, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. I love y'all. Salute.